on my lane, you all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a C-note. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
What's going on, Bistro family, and welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing citrus mint tea. So citrus mint tea. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get your mint, your lemon, and your orange set aside. Now you can use a lime as well, but these are the ingredients that I'm using. So I'm getting my lemon and I'm cutting it out. Make sure you cut all of the zest and the pith off of the lemon because you don't want any bitterness in this dish. You want those essential oils from the mint, and you want everything to just carry over very well. All right, and then what we're doing is we're getting all the zest off the lemon, and then we're gonna cut it into segments because that's how we're gonna steep this tea or these mint leaves with the lemon. All right, so once you get all of the segments out of the lemon, you're gonna take the lemon and just squeeze the rest of the juice or the remaining juice into the container. And we're gonna do the same exact thing with this orange here. Just get all of the segments and then squeeze the remaining juice in the container, and that is gonna be our citrus bomb that we're gonna use for this citrus mint tea. So all right, so I said, yep, segment the orange as well. Then once you get all those segments done, you go ahead and squeeze that juice into the vessel. And then we're going to take a whole bunch of mint. And when I say a whole bunch of mint, I mean like 30 leaves here. This is fresh mint, so it's not going to be as strong as it was if we were using a dried mint. So take your 30 leaves, pop it in your French press. And then immediately after that, go on with your lemon and orange segments with the juice. And then we got some water that's exactly 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're going to pour that into our French press. And then we're going to steep this thing for 10 minutes. So like I said, you're going to steep it for exactly 10 minutes at 185 degrees Fahrenheit. And that is going to be the perfect citrus mint tea that you will ever have. And I'm just playing with the visuals right now while we steeping, just making sure everything just looks good. And you're gonna have a lot of pulp in this thing here. So after you press it with the French press, you might want to take a little strainer and strain it before you pop it into your cup if you don't like pulp. If you do like pulp, it's all good. You're gonna have some in there, but man, look at those mint leaves. You're just extracting all those essential oils out, and it almost tastes like a mojito. Like, so this could be like a hot mojito mocktail, but it's so incredible, man. I'm telling you, these flavors are phenomenal. And you see me just go ahead and just strain it, a little of the pulp out. Like I said, I don't really mind pulp, but if you don't like pulp, go ahead and strain it. If you do, don't strain it at all. But man, there you have it. And then we're gonna garnish with some more mint. So yeah, man, there you have it. The most amazing citrus mint tea. And to sweeten it, I just added a little simple syrup, but you can add honey, agave, whatever your preference is or whatever you prefer. But I added a little simple syrup. If you need help on making a simple syrup, I'll link a video down below to show you how to make my simple syrup, which is pretty much just half and half sugar, half water. So if you take a cup of water, take a cup of sugar, bring it up to a boil, make sure all the sugar granules are melted, and there you have it, the perfect simple syrup. But I'll link a video down below. But there you have it, the most amazing citrus mint tea from the Bistro. This is a great drink for the winter, great drink for the fall, great drink for the summer, man. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Citrus mint tea from the Bistro. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button for me, man. Yeah, thank you. All right, man, I'll catch you next week. I'm out.